Here we go. We're going to test the brakes and listen to this horrible rattly noise. Okay, I'll apply the brakes slowly.
Stop.
That was it. See if we can go a bit quicker. Whoops. I'm accelerating and holding the brakes down at the same time there. Hang on. Try that. See that? That's terrible. And we're coming up to a roundabout.
Now what car?
I'm getting a bit of a vibration in the steering wheel. And this is just putting the brakes on lightly. If I put them on real hard, it disappears. But I'll try it again. Let's do a quick U-turn. I'm on a road with no traffic, so I can do all this. Sounds like something's loose. It's not.
Is that the sound of one? What's that the sound of the water?
It's the sound. Don't know what it is. Oh, sounds terrible. I'm getting a fairly decent vibration through the steering wheel there. It's almost a clunk. It's not though. Alright, that'll do. And that'll